An officer is called for an animal welfare check at a residence with multiple dogs inside after knocking with no answer except for the dogs.
Puppy, you get down. You get down off that table.
The homeowner returns to the house and the officer makes contact, not knowing what he's about to find on this man's property.
Hello?
Hey, Kevin Jones with the Sheriff's Office. Brent?
Yeah.
Hey, so yeah, just I guess welfare concern about the animals. Could I see the dogs?
The one I just put a leash on him. He's hates people.
Okay. Kind of one of the things I do, let me just explain what I do in these types of investigations. I just make sure, you know, you have food and water. I kind of feel around the ribs, see that they feel okay.
Oh, they're fine. Hey,
and that, you know, they're not bare bones, which they don't look to be, but you can, it's easier when you feel through the coat. Is that okay if I do that? This is the one that's a little, okay, the other ones are fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you feel pretty good, God. You feel pretty good. Yes, you do. Hi, puppy. Hi, how are you?
Here for the rescue dog.
Hi. Hey. Oh, hi. Oh, we're friends. Oh, we're friends, aren't we? Yeah, you feel pretty good, too. Can you just grab a hold of the collar? Okay, thank you.
He's really protective of my son. He's getting better.
Okay. Could you just show me their food and water?
Yeah, it's right around the corner here.
Okay, thank you.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
Right there, food and water. Myself,
And you got another bag somewhere, I assume? Where?
that bag is right there.
Oh, go.
I
Hello.
gotta buy another bag.
Oh, no. You look good there. See water there.
Want to see something else here? I got a whole bunch of beef bones out here.
Beef bones. Oh, for them to chew on?
There's a whole tub of ribs and shit.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. So...
And the chickens are around the corner here.
Yeah, could you show me those? Yeah, they all feel pretty good. They're definitely not skin and bones or anything.
These are my chickens and ducks. I don't know.
Feed water. Were you here when I was by earlier?
No, I just come back.
Oh.
Damn it. Let's go. He slipped out of his collar. That's the first. Come here.
He's all excited. He's got company.
Come on, we'll just put you in the house.
All right, well, animals look pretty good to me.
Never shortage of food, so.
That's good. Brent, I guess the only remaining concern I have is all the beer cans and beer that I see everywhere. You have an open case for not consuming possessing. All of your open cases have that.
Man. They've been here for a long time. I haven't took them.
Okay.
Ain't much yet.
I haven't went to the dump in a year.
Okay. Yeah, so you got a lot of garbage stacked up. You don't have any more in the home?
No.
You wouldn't mind me checking your fridge then, would you? Making sure you don't got cans in there, no nothing?
Hey, does that look like? Hell no, you can't look at my refrigerator.
Yeah, mind that, I guess.
Why?
Well, I don't know.
Because there are cans in there?
There probably is for other people. Whatever.
So you do have more beer in the house, or cans in the fridge, it sounds like.
There's some.
Okay. More Busch Light, I assume.
Yeah.
Can I help you get rid of them?
If you want to.
Nope.
You got
Boy can't even have a taste, y'all. Hey man, your boy can't even have a taste. He look like he a little tipsy right now. So I mean, that's cold. That's rough. If you on probation, you can't even have a drink, alcohol. If you a drinker, which obviously it looks like he drinks a lot. So before we get into this video, the title of this video is Animal Welfare Check Escalates into Chaos. All right. So y'all keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Go grab you a drink. Come back. And let's finish this video. All right.
You're not to consume or possess. Walk around you, pup. Down you go. You're okay. You're okay. Sorry, what's that, Brent? You want to hand that to me and I can take it
bush, boy.
Well, that's just for...
Pop, you gotta get back in the house. Come on, bud.
Come on, Roscoe.
Come on, buddy.
He probably won't come in now.
Wants to play.
Hell no, Pop want a drink.
Come on.
Look at Pop. Like, I thought we was coming out here to drink.
friends
Let's drink.
Are we friends?
You ain't gonna pull up?
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Oh, he's okay, boss. Oh, you're okay. Come on, Pop. Want to try and get the lead and bring him in that way again? Did you grab the lead? Why don't we try and bring him in with the lead again?
I'm fine. I just gotta go back to work, so.
Okay.
I'll get him back in.
Well, Brent, here's the deal. You do have an open case.
What are you doing?
You're under arrest.
Oh, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I ain't.
33:45. Send me a second. Step out, or you're going to get obstruction too.
No, I'm not under
You're under arrest.
For what?
For multiple felony open cases.
No.
Brent?
Get out.
Brent? Knock it off. Get out.
You get out.
I will not.
Let's go.
You get out.
Multiple
Look,
felony
hey, you better
cases.
be
Get
careful.
out.
Hey, he better be careful, dog. What if he, you know what I'm saying, he could make his dogs attack, 'cause especially the one that was aggressive, the gray and white one, the one that's outside. You better be careful. If you tell Roscoe to bite him in his ass, better chill out.
Move.
No.
I knew this was going to happen. That's why I didn't want.
That's why you didn't answer when I was here the first time. Don't make me bust through this door, Brent. You're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Get the hell out.
Brent, don't make me bust through this door. I will bust through this door. Get out.
Oh shit! Oh, I'm up out of here. Get up out of there, Brent. Get up. Oh,
Get
taser!
on the ground.
Ah, he about to fry him.
Stop or you'll be tased. On the ground now.
Hey, Eric fried him. Oh, twice. Oh, damn. Bush baked beans. Never did. Put that boy in a pot and heated him up.
Stomach, or you will get tased again.
Do it again.
Get down.
Uh-oh. The beans and franks. Look at that. Hey.
Hands behind your back.
No, I got to get my dog in here.
33:45. He's on the ground, bend over.
I ate a cookie like some beans and... Oh, no, cuz, go on.
Hands behind your back. On your stomach. Hands hey.
Oh, see, the dog. I told you. What did I say? The dog.
Multiple taser deployments. He's on the ground. Hands behind your back.
I will, but let my dog in here.
I will get your dog in.
No, you
Hands behind your back.
Hey,
you
bro.
won't.
Come on
I
now.
will. I just got bit by your dog.
I told you that would happen.
Stop touching
Hey,
the
put
dog.
They said that's for your dog too. Matter of fact, that's for the Bush's baked beans that you have cooked. That's for your dog bite me in the ass cheek muscles. And this third one for lying to me. Keep it up. I'm gonna cook you some more. Like,
Get on your
Look at
stomach
it.
now.
he's looking at him like, are you
I
serious?
gotta get my dog in.
I will get your dogs in here. Knock it off.
Oh man, come on,
Then
bro.
cooperate and get on the ground.
I am.
No, you're not.
Stop it.
Bro, you really
What are
fighting?
you doing?
You'll get tased
Get
again,
on the
dog.
ground. Ow! Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
And they're struggling.
Come on, Daisy, get him.
Oh, see, look. You see?
Stop it.
You tell his dog to get him, bro. Or to cook him again, bro.
Come on, get him, Roscoe.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Get him, Roscoe.
Hey, ain't that's...
Away from him.
Drop.
Oh, he bit him again? Wow. You gonna shoot the dog, bro? You gonna tase the dog?
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get him, Roscoe.
Wow.
Come on. Hurry. You got me. You got me.
Choke him
Get on
out?
the ground.
put him in the UFC chokehold, bro. Choke his ass out. You're gonna bite him again, boy. Hey, what's crazy is, ain't the Bush commercial, the Bush baked beans commercial, don't it got a dog like that? I promise it has a brown dog like that, and the dude with the mustache will say Bush baked beans. That boy, get it, Roscoe, bite him in his ass, Roscoe. That's gonna be, I wonder, is that gonna be something against the dog? Will they have to euthanize the dog because he commanded his dog to bite the officer? Will they take his dog from him? I don't know. What do y'all think? Drop in the comments if you think something's gonna happen to the dog.
Back door! Get off of me!
Be careful, boy, you're gonna get bit.
Hands behind your back now.
Hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Oh, wow, his hand cut? Yeah.
Ow. Back up.
Oh.
Inciting the dog to bite.
Back up.
Oh.
You aware
That was ready to dog,
friendly
boy.
dog I've seen bit dead multiple times.
Wow.
The dog too. Am I bleeding anywhere on the backside of my arm?
Yeah, you've got broken skin. Not bad. It's that black and white one. It's not friendly.
33-20
they
just
gonna
for
put that dog
10-43.
down.
You bit by the dog as well. I'm 10-2. Minor abrasion. All right.
Brent,
Are you okay?
are you okay?
Brent. Talk to me here.
Yeah.
I'm a sergeant with Columbia County. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you hurting anywhere? I see you're bleeding a little bit on your hand. Are you bleeding anywhere else?
I don't know.
Okay. Let's check you out, okay? Where'd you tase?
They were both upper chest.
And you're okay otherwise?
Gotta see what my bites are, but got bit multiple times.
Brent, can we sit you up?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Let's do that. Back up.
Roscoe, stay.
Okay. How about we get you to the front of the house? Can we do that so that EMS can get you checked out?
Yeah, as soon as I get up.
He's all right, puppy. But if you bite me again, you're gonna get sprayed again. I'm gonna lift you up, okay? Ready? What? Hey, back off.
Oh.
Roscoe.
Tell him to back off.
I can't. You don't listen.
Yes, you can. Tell him.
Roscoe don't listen to the damn body.
Can we at least try to get him in this door?
We will get them in the house.
Can I have a drink of water or something?
We're not getting you anything right now. They gotta get you checked out.
My name's Austin. I'm with the ambulance. What's your name?
You got me on the keister and on the thigh.
Arm bleeding still?
No, it's not.
Okay.
Search him really well. He had a pocket knife. I tried to pull it out of his pocket, and then he starts grabbing at it after I get it out of his pocket.
Stand up front.
So I chucked that knife as far as
Face
I
the
could into the
ambulance.
yard.
Face the ambulance.
So all I carry is just a pocket knife, being honest. The windows gotta be closed, the bathroom doors gotta be closed.
Well, we're not going back inside the house with the dog biting us.
You won't let me just go at least close the window and the door?
Well, no. I'll try to see what I can do to close it from the outside. Then it's going to have to stay the way it is.
He's gonna run out.
Well, I'm sorry. You shouldn't have fought with us.
Well, that's...
We're not going back in your house with your dog. Your dog has bitten both of us. We're not letting you out of handcuffs.
I told you that was gonna happen.
Okay, well, you shouldn't have fought.
And you shouldn't have been telling the dog, "Get him, Roscoe, get him."
Yeah.
Multiple times you yelled that.
Because that guy added you extra charges.
I want to say I thought I gave him a run for his money.
Let's not even joke around about that. You understand that the consequences that potentially could
I know,
happen,
I've
right?
never done that before.
Yeah, well, it's never going to happen again.
And then this is the dog.
Hi, baby. Shh, it's okay.
Come on, Roscoe.
That nigga's gonna bite you too.
Come on, let's get the bone.
Roscoe mad y'all ain't give him nothing to drink.
Like in,
That boy got a drinking name.
And my
Just
phone.
Tammy.
Yes.
Come with me, Brett.
Can I tell her what's going on?
We'll tell her. Pretty sure you have a no contact with her unless it's for child custody stuff. Is that correct?
No.
Yeah, I must have saw something wrong then. We'll verify that. Hi, Tammy. Yeah, so myself and another deputy got bit.
Are you okay? I'm
Yeah,
so
no, we're
sorry.
fine. Is Roscoe vaccinated?
I had taken him in personally. I don't remember the date, but he has his rabies. Why was he outside?
When we were trying to arrest Brent, and in the process, multiple people got bit because Brent was fighting with the deputies.
He called me and he said that they wanted to come and do a check.
So he was telling you when he called you, if they're going to play games with me, I'm just going to go run and hide or
Yeah,
something?
that's what he told me. And I said, don't be stupid. I said, just talk to them. If they want to look at the animals, let them look at the animals. But I said, make sure you tell them about Roscoe. He's a rescue.
Bit of an issue.
I'm sorry. He's got problems.
If something needs to be investigated, it needs to be investigated.
He came to our apartment last week. He was like peeking in our windows and said he was going to break the window and get in our apartment. And my son was so scared. I was going to call you guys, and he's like, Mom, please don't. I don't want to have to go to jail again. I'm like, but...
Don't ever hesitate to call. I understand the situation behind it, but
Yeah.
let's get to the hospital.
All right.
According to court records, this suspect, Brent, was charged with resisting obstructing, 2 counts of felony aggravated battery to a peace officer causing serious bodily harm, and violation of probation. He is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Hey, Brent was spent and he was trying to be bent, and y'all came over and messed up him trying to drink off his rent. Okay? Brent wasn't doing nothing to nobody. Y'all leave Brent alone, man. His dogs is fed. They was fat and full. He just want to be home, have him a little taste, stay in his little safe space, you know what I'm saying, and get shit-faced. That's all. That's all he wanted to do, man. The other stuff is a little extreme, a little far. You know what I mean? You can't, if you're not with your wife no more and your son is gone, you got to do that a better way. You can't go over there acting like a crazy or acting like a creeper or acting like somebody who's having ill intentions, bad thoughts, and knocking on the window and stuff and saying, I'm gonna break the window. Like that's a little off. And I'm pretty sure when he did that, he was drinking. So y'all know when people drink, they do what they really want to do. They say what they really want to say, and they act all out of themselves, or they act like themselves. You know what I'm saying? That true person come out. So you never know what he could have did, would have did, maybe wouldn't have did nothing. We don't know. Good thing it didn't go that far, but the worst thing you did was getting Roscoe. Roscoe was like, look, y'all messing with my drinking partner, okay? Right? Y'all brought the bush out. You know what I'm saying? All you had to do was bring me my little beef bone in my bowl, and I'd have had a good night. You know what I'm saying? That's all I wanted. To give me some bushes, some bush baked beans, give me some of that lean meat. That's a treat. You know what I'm saying? Man, dog. Crazy. Funny video though. You see how he was looking like, are you really tasing me right now? Like, why you gotta do that, cuz? Why you tasing me, cuz? Oh my goodness, man. Peace, y'all. Peace, love, light, healing. Peace to the guys. Peace to the earth. Peace and love to everybody. Always keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep your vibes high. Keep thriving and surviving. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, okay? Y'all be, you know what it is. Easy.